Today I'll teach you guys how you guys can create a folder and upload files inside that folder in Google Drive. It's pretty simple. For this you need to open your Google Drive app, which you can easily download from your app store. After you open the app, you need to click on files at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now once you're inside the file section of Google Drive, you need to click on the plus button at the bottom right corner of your screen. Once you click on the plus, you can see the option called folder. Click on folder, and over here you can name the folder whatever you want. So I will name the folder folder. So this is just an example video, so I'm naming it folder. If I click on create, a folder with the name folder is going to be created. Now if I want to upload files inside that folder, I need to click on folder and it'll take me inside the folder. From over here, I need to click on the plus at the bottom right again and then click on where it says upload. Once I click on upload, I can click on browse, or I can click on photos and videos. So if I want to upload photo and video, I can click on that. If I want to upload other things, I can click on browse and search through my phone's folder in order to check which I want to upload. So I'm going to go on photos and videos because I want to upload some photos and videos. I will go inside recent and I will choose 2 random photos which I want to upload. If I click on upload, it'll be uploaded, and it's going to be uploaded inside the folder, not outside it. So that is how we guys can create a folder and upload files inside it in Google Drive. So if you guys found our video helpful, then hit the subscribe to our channel one step. I'll see you guys next time.